Greetings, love and honor, good people. So, when you're dealing with healing, there's no ego. I ran across a post the other day by youth. He's been getting a lot of attention. You know, I've come to realize that we've been made accustomed to worshiping people. You know. But anyway, I came across a post, and the post was saying that he's the greatest healer for this generation. This is why I always say that a lot of people don't really recognize what they're doing. It's more like a business for them. They have to market and promote a particular way to look good. Maybe they're so insecure that they have to present themselves a particular way, you know, to boost themselves up, to alleviate some of that insecurity. But it's sad. There's no greatest healer, nothing. You know what I'm saying? There's a group of people who are here to perform services or work. Healing can't have any arrogance or ego. You know what I'm saying? You know, a lot of people, you know, you search for your talent throughout the course of your life. Some people never really find it. Some people recognize they have a little bit of talent in something, but they can never really utilize it efficiently. But everybody wants to be the next great thing or best thing. There's nothing wrong with being great, but you have to see yourself as part of a team. The same objective. The objective is to help to progress mortals in the right direction. So you're in service to the Creator at the end of the day. No healer created the herbs. They didn't create solid, liquid, and gas. You know what I'm saying? Air, water, fire, wind. They didn't create these things, but we can utilize them. So to try to separate yourself, you know what I also came to realize? This particular person was a follower of someone who called himself Christ. So now everybody in this Christ thing, oh, I am this or I am that. Yeah, you can be this or that, but when it comes to healing, you have to humble yourself and say, you know what, I'm a servant. I'm in service. You know, that is the mistake. So, why is health important? What is the purpose of life? Some people don't like to use the word death. So maybe we can use transition or graduation. But the purpose of life is to prepare for your graduation or your transition. The reason why I specifically deal with herbs is because I know it is good. I know the Creator provided it because of, you know, how needed it is. And while somebody may say, you know, we're going to all die, but you can't look at it that way. We are supposed to live long enough to get exactly what we need out of life, which is the knowledge and understanding of certain things, you know, within the realm of comprehension and perception. That is why health is important, so we can sustain long enough to do great works and leave a legacy for future generations to help to progress man and woman, to progress people for their transition. You know, the longer that you don't have to depend on others to take care of you, is the better. Because you're healthier, you're more active, you can move around more, you can see more, you can simply do more. So that is the purpose of this health. You know, health transcends us. It encourages, inspires. You know, you get energy from health, so you can just do more. Your organs function better, your brain function more. You know, your brain functions better. So you can kind of tap into more positive ideas or things that can help yourself, help others, family, friends, your community. So healing and dealing with herbs, there's no ego in that. Even if you might be doing it on your own, you know what I'm saying, you don't really have a team. On the wider scale, that network, you have to look at it as if I'm a part of a certain people that want to do some good. You know, might call yourself a roots man or a herbalist. So there's no arrogance and ego in healing. You know, that brother may never come across this video. But it's a little disappointing, and then you realize that some of these guys, they're young. You know, they found a little niche, and now their head is blown. You know, even Dr. Sebi tell you that he was healed by a Mexican. Ironically enough, Dr. Sebi is not even the first man to talk about a mucus-free diet. So many people in history, even back in ancient time, even if they didn't know, that is what they were doing. And as the foods that we take in today, or processed stuff, snacks, they've been around only for a few years. You know? Even the meat eaters of yesteryear, there was less harmful chemicals and toxins in these foods, so a lot of people just lived a healthier, stronger life. Yeah, man, so a word to the herbalists, them. Humble yourself, know you're not the greatest, you're one of many, and your purpose is to heal and to protect the people. Simple as that. Because they have man out here that have been doing it longer than you, who may know more than you, or even know alternate than you, that you can put your minds together and become even more powerful. It's not just you alone. So there's no Christ figure, there's no one sitting on the mantle. We're all in works of the Creator. We're servants of the Creator. And we're here to do something, which is to help mankind, man and woman, to progress. Health covers physical, mental, spiritual. So don't shoot yourself in the foot because you have some popularity, or you're the thing right now. You know, don't sucker the people and manipulate them to think that, oh, I'm being watched because I'm the Dahntay. Don't worry about those things, just do your good works. And if it's too much for you to handle, you know what I'm saying, show some love and spread some love. No bad-minded or selfishness. You know what I'm saying? So, as per usual, love and honor good people. Be safe. See you on the next one. Blessed.
Y'all niggas don't know this is coming.
I could listen to this beat forever. Ooh, that's the drum key sound.
Surely you know the flesh cries, so go and get your paper. So you want to touch the sky, well fill it up like skyscraper. So in your mission rejoice, don't electric infrared scope. Reload to places where deals didn't export. Wanted dead and alive, numerical sweat codes. So shall it be in the end the new retro. Surely you know the flesh cries, so go and get your paper. So you want to touch the sky, well fill it up like skyscrapers. So in your mission rejoice, don't even have to ask the price. Although the allowance is wide, the spirit lives forever. So in your mission rejoice, don't even have to roll the dice. Surely you know the flesh cries, the spirit lives forever. Ministries of education explode, shitloads of tutorials, web bros like we bros. Nourish, no cry, Facebook, YouTube, fried videos. Sweet sounds of gunshot, don't kill your shadow gun bro. In the brothel, pumping magazine loads. We know why you envy and kill rappers, no bars like Esco. The mic boot is a deep dark black scrolls create. So the mere thought that possibility, your girl pan speedo. Surely you know the flesh cries, flesh tries. Although you know, although you know.